in that case, you could have a runaway jury.
Martin. It's for Michael Brown. It's for Sandra Bland. It's for Tamir Rice. It's for Eric Gardner. It's for Antoine Rose. It's for Jamel Roberts. For E.J. Bradford. For Stephon Clark. For Jeffrey Dennis. Genevieve Dawes. For Pamela Turner. For so many unarmed black and brown human beings all across America. This verdict today is for them. Everybody can raise their hand. This verdict is for them. This verdict is for them.
I just had the district attorney's office tap me on my shoulder, and because the sentencing phase is coming up where the family will testify, they've asked that I withhold their statements. I do want to relay what this family has always stood on, and it's their faith in God, and it's their belief in Christ Jesus. And it was Boltham's faith that we believe played a key factor in that, and because of that, I'm going to ask Boltham's pastor, Pastor Berry, to come forward and give a statement.
Thank you very much. I'd just like to say that on behalf of the faith community here in Dallas, in the state of Texas, and also here in the U.S., and on behalf of the Dallas area preachers and church leaders, this verdict is exactly what we were looking for. I want to say thank you to the jurors for being willing to make that tough decision. I want to say thank you to the prosecutors for the excellent job that they did. And now we're just going to move forward and continue to respond in the appropriate way going forward. But we just want to say, and the other thing I want to say is that this also lets us know that the God that we serve is still on the throne.
That's right.
God is still in control.
Amen.
And he has been all along. I have some other of my associates with me, Jonathan Morrison and also Colin Packer. I'd like for them to have comment.
All right. Okay. What we're going to do at this time is we're going to take a few questions and we're going to take the family back up.
So let's start at the 5 to 99 years. What do you think Amber got?
We believe in the wisdom of this jury. That decision is in the hands of this jury. And so we believe that both of them's life mattered, and we want to see a sentence that reflects that.
Yeah. And many people, a lot of commentators said there would be no murder conviction.
Right.
So right now we're already ahead of the game. And the jury's decision, as Attorney Merritt and Attorney Washington have said.
What we do know, though, is that Amber Guyger got on the stand and she testified without a doubt that she intended to kill both of them. And we just hope that the jury remembers that this is an individual that says she didn't make a mistake, she intended to kill him. We think that the sentence that they give her should reflect.
You all know what? Imagine what the sentence would be if the roles were reversed. If Bolton Jones killed Amber Guyger. Why can't it be equal justice in America?
That's right.
No matter what the ethnicity of the murderer is.
And 2 days after she killed both of them, she was back sexting and talking about getting drunk. So this is a person that has no remorse. This is a person being in jail for 5 to 6 years would not be enough. So we want the sentence to definitely reflect that.
Do you worry about an appeal? Sense of hearing the concept of mistake of fact and castle doctrine?
Well, here's what we know, and I'll let Lee talk, but here's what we know. We did not think mistake of fact and the castle doctrine should have gotten in there, but with the family, what we feel comfortable about, there's really nothing that the defense will be able to appeal. They got everything that they wanted, so and they did not get the verdict that they wanted, so we feel good about that.
And